Revolver theory.
You are a fool to challenge a god.
Here's look at all this shit. Like, come on, man. This nigga be robbing the fuck out of me, too. I'm gonna kill this nigga's channel, by the way.
Really?
This nigga just literally steals my face, puts thumbnails on it. 15K, 14K, 14K, 19K, 10K, 6.5K, 12K, 12K, 15, 15, 12, 12, 9, 12, 10. Why the fuck would you go on a Zoom call with kids and play any of my sexually explicit clips? That shit is completely unfucking called for. Sent me a video 8 hours ago and he was using my fucking shit in a Zoom call with children. Okay, the first time, alright, I laughed. Thank you. Nigga wanted free games and 3-hit combos for stocks. Damn, we got crazy lag. This nigga thirsty as fuck. God, this nigga thirsty. Alright, I'm done playing these thirsty ass niggas, man. Like, get the fuck out of my lobby for the rest of the night. Seriously. There's a reason why I had you blocked. You too. Y'all niggas trash. You play this shit all the time. I cut this shit on my spare leisure time. Just to play niggas who fucking paid me. Y'all niggas are thirsty, man. There is no arena ID. This is paid niggas only. Man, this nigga come here with this lagging ass shit. Next. Get your fucking Wi-Fi warrior ass up out of here. Look at this lagging and glitching ass nigga. Trying to play me on a $56K connection. The fuck up out of here, bro. Fix your shit. There, you win, nigga. 2-stock me. That's what I'm saying. Like, they be trying to claim, like, you should see that you should see what these niggas do too. Like, some of the videos I take down, they try to counterclaim it and they'll put like a fake ass address and all types of shit. But it's cool. 2021, that shit's coming to a fucking end.
Nope. We won. Yeah. We here. Yeah.
Next. Can you copy and paste that track for me? Recovery kill, of course. Corny ass, ugly, boring looking Mario combos, blah blah blah. Trying to spam for recovery kills, blah blah blah, same old shit. Yeah, yeah. Trash ass nigga. Trash ass nigga. Trash ass nigga. Trash. This is Evo for you. Thirsty ass nigga. 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 You're gone. Scrub. 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 Flowchart ass fucking character. Yeah, so good. Yeah. Yeah, you're so good. Such an easy mode ass character, man. There's just no enthusiasm playing against a fucking scrub using Ryu.
Round 2. Fight.
What the fuck was that? I mean, you knew you was gonna get rage quit on the teabags. DP and neutral, a platinum Ryu. Playing on a band stage, just a complete scrub all together. Can't even play on a stage that's legal. The hell? How'd I drop that? Oh, lag. What's that name? Frank something? Nah, I'm not playing no platinum player. Lagging stage, laggy character. You can't get shit. Alright, nigga, you ask me one more question without paying me, I'ma ban you. Don't work out my glutes? What kind of gay ass question is that, nigga? Of course, I hit the full body. Of course you go for a throw. You have 0 footsies. Look at that. Double throw. Because you lack footsies. You fucking scrub. 3 fucking throws. Look at this goddamn idiot, man. The fraud. Nigga needed 3 throws to catch up with me in life. Shit like that just be killing my fun factor in this game. When I see a scrub going for 3 throws to try to catch up with me in life because you lack footsies, we could play that kind of game. Fake pressure in the corner. Here we go. Scrub combo a 6-year-old can do. Just got finished bodying this dude. Don't know why the fuck I'm playing him again. You want to throw me so bad, I can sense it. I'm a blacklist this dude. I'm not playing this nigga multiple times. Just teabagging. Alright, whatever. Ooh, these. I'm just gonna rage quit. Like the teabagging, just because you see it's my name, I'm just gonna rage quit on you. No big deal. Oh, just forward step kick off wake up. No big deal. You're nobody anyway. It's cool. Excellent. Rage quit. Just because they see my name, they teabag me. I mean, it's just Street Fighter 5. Like, anybody could take a fake dub in this game. As soon as you start teabagging, I'm going 2% anyway.